All right, this is my 2013 Ford F-150, and it's got a problem with the speaker in the passenger side door. I got my work partner here with me. Turn the radio up a little bit so you can hear what's going on. You can hear the vibration.
But fortunately, kind of got down the line a hard couple steps, and Vargas decided to go to first base and we'll take the run.
Really don't need to turn it up that much louder.
Takes strike one on the outside corner. So 2-1 Cleveland. Last night a seesaw battle. Yeah, see if this one shapes up the same way.
So that's the problem I got right now. I'm going to pull the speaker out and replace it with one I got on eBay. All right, there's 4 screws. There's one in here underneath that plate that I have to pop off. There's one here, and I have to pop this plate off. And then there's 2 down here that I need to take off. So, first thing I'm going to do is pop this guy off, which I started to earlier. That comes right off. And then back here, if you can see, all right, gotta grab it down here. There we go. There we go. Kind of tricky, but not too tricky. So that guy's off. And then I got to take that screw out and that screw out. 5/16, 5/16. The screws at the bottom are 1/4 inch. Okay, those are done. Where are they at? There's that guy. And the other one. It's right there. Pick these guys up. And this door should lift right off. Lift right up. Okay. Yep. Got some 3 clips down there. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna leave it hanging here. Now I gotta take the speaker out right there. And those look like very small screws. Yeah, it's a 6. What the hell's my... Don't you fall in there. It's happened to me before. So let's pull this thing off. We figure out how to do that. That little push right there, a little push spot. So there's the old speaker. There's the number on it. Here's my new speaker, new used speaker. Oh, this is gonna be great. I'm like, oh no. That's the new one. That's the old one. They look the same. We do have some slight differences on the numbers on the back, but I did do a little research and it looked like it was a match. Take that off. And then the moment of truth. She's plugged in. What do you think, Finn? Get the ignition back on.
WTAM 1100.
Cattell Marte will get it started in the bottom of the third for the Diamondbacks. And the debut game for Parker Messick continues. First pitch swinging, Marte rifles one to short. Backhand grab by Arias, and he guns it down at first base.
Well, now it's time to put everything back together. .32. Well, at least we know it's American, not metric. I just need to finagle it on. There we go. Okay. This screw, for whatever reason, is very tight. I don't know if it's on purpose. That one there. So when you're pulling it off and putting it back on, it is extremely tight. And these ones down here are easy. She's good. Now we're going to do the, since I don't have the torque set on my wrench, I don't want to overdo it, break anything. For some reason this one's really hard to get in. Okay, put my caps back in. Now I gotta find the other one, which of course is right there. Okay, let's do one more test.
So I got up there. I think I wasn't in the lineup the first day. I think I had a game to kind of get acclimated and to watch it. But you're just, I was almost just a fan with just front row seats right there. It's like I just got good tickets.
All right. Hopefully this helps somebody out. So I could have bought new speakers. I just bought a factory speaker that someone picked out of a boneyard that listed it on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. It sounds like a looks like a reputable full stereo speaker electronics shop. So hit the like and subscribe if the video helped you out.